Good morning everyone. Today's video I'm gonna share with you and show you how to repair your windshield with a repair kit. So this is Sameh from 1707 channel. Keep with us. So today I purchased this windshield repair kit from Amazon.com. It's called Raisin, and I'm gonna share with you what is inside the kit. So you will receive this kit and I will tell you the names. So the first part up here is called the pressure drive, and this part here will be the Raisin chamber where you are gonna put your Raisin inside, and it's gonna be, we are gonna press it with this pressure drive to be just pressing on the crack and filling the crack. And these are the suction cups, and this is the applicator base. This is the part you will adjust just above your crack. And this is to show you more, to be more precise with description. Sorry, I'm just holding the mobile with the other hand. But this one you can unscrew it like this. So it's coming out, right? I think you can see it clearly here. Yes, it's coming out. So what you are gonna do is you are gonna put this one and adjust this applicator base just on the crack, and then you will add some Raisin here. And this is again to show you the whole kit. This is the Raisin itself, where we are gonna put some drops in here, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. And then after putting the drops, we are going simply to put the pressure drive back and screw it in all the way and leave it for 4 to 6 minutes. Then we are gonna repeat this step, like removing this pressure drive up to release any trapped air, and put it down again or screw it back again to press the Raisin inside the crack. You may add some Raisin if you want during doing this. And then I'm gonna later at the end, you are going to remove all this apparatus and apply just few drops from the Raisin on the crack and seal it with this thin layer. Okay, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so let's start by step 1. So let's start step 1. This is the crack I want to repair, and before starting doing anything you should first clean well with a piece of tissue, and then they recommend, I already did this step but I'm gonna show it for you to you. So you are gonna do some cleaning of any glass that is still remaining inside the crack. You should remove it like this, and then we are gonna clean. Okay, so I think it's ready now to apply the apparatus. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put this applicator base just above my crack. Okay, and I'm gonna fix the suction cup. I'm gonna do this step and then go with you with the next step. So this is how it will look from inside, and just to make sure that the application base is just above the crack to allow the Raisin to get into it, and also make sure that the application base is just sealed to your glass. This is very important as not to have any leaks outside. Okay, so let's go from outside and make sure that it's sealed well, and I will show you how to do this. So first of all, make sure that the suction cup is in place correctly, and you should screw this in so it's touching the glass and just above it. I think it's sealed in a very good way. Okay, Next step, I'm going to add the Raisin and apply the pressure drive. Okay, this is the Raisin, and you will just apply from 3 to 6 drops inside. Okay, and directly you should close it and screw with this pressure drive. Okay, I will screw it and come to the next step. Okay, this is how it will look from inside. The Raisin is inside here, and it will start to get through all the crack, and I will leave it for 4 to 6 minutes, and I can repeat this 2 steps by putting more Raisin and applying pressure again for several times until I feel that the whole crack is filled. So now I left it for around 6 or 7 minutes, and after checking from inside I made sure that all the crack is being sealed, and according to the recommendation we should just tight this like just quarter a turn to make sure. Let me do this. Yes, and leave it for another couple of minutes and come back. Okay, now after 2 minutes we need to slightly maybe remove this one and get this one out. You can repeat this step if you feel that air is still trapped inside. Okay, let's go to the next step. Now I removed the apparatus, and actually it did a very good job. And now I'm gonna add 1 drop of the Raisin here and cover it by the plastic cover. Let me go to the next step. So now this is the last step. Actually I put a drop of Raisin on the crack after removing the apparatus, and I covered it with this strip. And no need to apply any pressure. I just according to the recommendation they mentioned that I should keep the car under the ultraviolet rays in the sun at this step to make it dry, and this is what I'm doing right now. It's been like 5 minutes now, and the next step I will remove this strip and I will start to remove any remains of the Raisin on the glass and see if this one is sealed well. Okay, so let's go to the next step. So in this video I removed the strip and I started to remove any remains of the Raisin that is still kept on the glass like this, and actually I feel it did a very good job because the crack, yeah, I can just see the crack but no air bubbles around, which is the most kind of dangerous thing that may lead the crack to extend more. So it's been sealed in a good way. So if you liked the video, just please subscribe and press like to join us and to see more videos about things happening around us, electronics, or something like simple repairs in your car. Thank you so much. Wait for the next release.